How to convert PHP website into Android app. So to convert a PHP website into an Android app, you can either wrap your website in a web view or rebuild the front end using native Android development or cross-platform frameworks. So first, using WebView or the hybrid app approach, create a new Android project in Android Studio, add a WebView component to your layout, and in your activity, initialize the WebView and load your website's URL, enable the JavaScript in your WebView settings, add internet permissions in the manifest file, and optionally you can set the WebView client to handle events like page loading or URL redirections, and then handle back button presses to navigate within the WebView. Then, you have to rebuild the front end, so consider Flutter or React Native for cross-platform development for Android and iOS. Alternatively, you can use native Android languages like Java or Kotlin to create a native app, and this approach involves building a new UI from scratch, so don't that you will need to start building a new UI and separate from your PHP backend. You also need to implement API calls to communicate within your PHP backend for data, and that's how you can convert the PHP website into an Android app.